Hello, friends. I'm a very worried person today, and I'm sure all of you are as well, especially the ones who are living in Guwahati city. Just the other day, Guwahati was announced as a green zone, and all of a sudden, today the news says that we have 3 containment zones. One is the Guwahati Medical College area, the other is the B. Borua Cancer Hospital, and the third one, which is very near my house in Milonpur, is Omiyanagar. Now, that is a big cause for concern. I think we are all very, very worried. We are worried because we were thinking that lockdown would open, we would all go back to our normal lives. But the way things are happening, I think this lockdown is not going to open in some time. At least, that is what I think. Because you know why? We are not following the government rules. We are not following the government orders. The government has set some rules about social distancing, about wearing our masks, about not going any place if it is absolutely not necessary. But we are not following that. Why? Why do you want to do this? Why do you want to go against the government rules and make this difficult for you, for me, for everyone? Don't you want the lockdown to open? I don't know what to say. I'm not saying this to my friends on Facebook. I'm sure they're all very sensible people, very knowledgeable people. They are following the rules. But this is for all the people out on the streets. If this video reaches out to you, I will request you with folded hands, please, please, please listen to what the government is saying. Please maintain that social distance when you're going to the market. Don't fall over each other. I have noticed this myself when I go to my kirana shop here. They don't maintain social distance. They want to fall over each other as if, the shop is going to close down. The shop isn't going to close down. You are going to get your food, your supplies, your essentials, everything. Be patient, be calm, be kind. That is what I want to tell you. This is not the time to get agitated about anything. This is the time to listen to what the government is telling you to do. Stay home, maintain social distance, wear your masks, wear your gloves if possible, and when you are going out in your private transport or your public transport, you know how to do that. I'm sure you know when you're going in your private vehicle how many people you should carry. If you're going by Ola or Uber in one of those taxis, you know how many people should be in. And wear those masks. Those masks are mandatory, and now government is imposing a fine if you're not wearing your masks. So please, my dear friends, and for all these other people who are going to, if you wish to forward this video, please do, because it's very important for each one of us to stand up during this very situation, this pandemic situation that is happening. Is the responsibility of each and every person to actually do their part. Please do your part. Please be a responsible citizen. Please. Otherwise, we are going to be in lockdown forever. Let us flatten the curve. Let us all say that this virus needs to go away, and let us do our part. Please, my request. Stay safe, stay home, maintain social distance, and be kind and be calm, please. Thank you.